Hello guy, welcome to my channel. Have you seen those super realistic animated videos that are trending everywhere nowadays? It feels like every day someone's coming up with a new and creative idea that's going viral. If you're wondering how to create these kinds of animated videos, you're in the right place. I'm sure your answer is yes, and that's why I'm here to help. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to make your own trending animated content. So stay tuned, follow along, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome tips and tutorials. First, go to Canva and head over to Dreamlab. Once you're there, open it up and paste this prompt into the prompt section. Create a realistic action figure of a man packaged in a display box. The figure should be dressed in a casual outfit, t-shirt, jeans, and sneakers. Include realistic accessories. Next to the figure, a gaming headset, an iPhone, a camera, and a MacBook. Design the packaging box with a plastic window and a hole at the top for hanging. At the top of the box, write name and below it in bold Q Text Studio. Visualize everything in a detailed, realistic way. Make sure to choose the aspect ratio according to your video format. Within seconds, it will generate an amazingly realistic image, and it looks incredible. You can also customize the character. For example, I changed the shoe color and replaced the iPhone with a Samsung Galaxy phone. Then I hit enter again, and boom, another awesome, realistic pic. These images are perfect for your videos. Another great tool you can use is Hilio AI. It also generates amazing pictures based on your style and prompt. And if you're looking for a completely free option, check out Hilio AI. It's another fantastic tool that can create beautiful AI images that perfectly match your prompt. Once your image is ready, head over to Hilio AI to generate your video. Just upload your picture and paste this prompt in the prompt section. Create a realistic scene where the same action figure of the man is outside the box and walking away. Everything else should remain the same. The box is still there with the accessories: gaming headset, iPhone, camera, MacBook. In place, and the label still says name and Q Text Studio. The only difference is the figure is now outside the box, walking away. Within seconds, it will create the exact video we want, a super realistic and trending style animation. I think it's amazing and a fresh idea that's really catching on. So go ahead, give it a try, upload it as a YouTube short, and start gaining maximum views. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more.